The thresholds were frozen in 2009. So we're already up to 17 years frozen in these bandings. But in the last budget, the thresholds were frozen even further until April 2031. At that point, they will have been frozen for 22 years. As much as it isn't going down, this isn't a positive when it comes to protecting people's estates. Inflation alone can push more and more people into these tax brackets, most evidently with housing costs. Yes, you may have done some work to them to improve the value of the property, but in many cases, it is inflation that's done the heavy lifting. For a bit of context, in 2009, the average house price in the UK was £162,100, whereas at the end of 2025, the average house price in the UK was £269,800. This is quite a significant average price rise in just 17 years. And it's the equivalent of a 60% rise in this time, or 3.4% a year, which overall matches about the inflation rate. As the bandings haven't risen with inflation like many of our other bandings do or have done in the past, you can see how this leads to more and more people falling into that inheritance tax danger zone. This inflation is effectively known as fiscal drag, meaning that more and more people are falling into the trap through no fault of their own, meaning that their inflation-driven gains are forced to be taxed.